All right, guys, day 5. Something I think is kind of funny just happened to me on the way to work. There's a radio station and they were calling about your business and tell us how you've survived the COVID. And I'm going to play it for you. And hopefully I can find the link and put it in the comment section or something below. But it turned out to be a talk show for restaurants. Well, I didn't hear that part. All I heard was Colorado business. What are you doing to stay afloat?
Littleton, hello, Richard.
Hey, how are you? Let me turn off my radio. Can you hear me? All right, what's going on? Oh, you know what? I forgot who called who. Hey, I'm a salon owner in Littleton, Colorado. It's called Modefi. And we got shut down on the 19th. And the next day I started making customized home hair color kits for my customers that didn't feel safe, coming into the salon to get their hair done. And I've done curbside pickup. My business didn't make the first round of the PPP. But because of my ability to reinvent my wheel, I was able to do curbside pickup just like the restaurants. And the 187 kits that I did sell, and people did tip me on that. It has kept my doors open. It has kept one person on staff. I even got to order some pizza. And the only downfall to this so far for me, and I'm pretty blessed, is that I have some COVID-15. I'm it's like a freshman 15, like 15 pounds of weight gain. And good thing for those kits, it would have been 30. No, my COVID-15, like, you know what a freshman 15 is? When somebody starts college in their freshman year, they end up gaining 15 pounds. It's a college joke. Yeah. All right, bud. Thank you so much. All right, bye. You or I couldn't fit there.
No.
Carter, you're doing a great job. Taryn, see how she's coming along? Peyton, how'd I do taping off, huh? Obviously not good enough.
Shush. Get nail polish and fix that.
You know what? If that was a customer's hairline, she's calling the manager. President Trump told me that Dr. Pepper, because it's got the word doctor in it, cures the coronavirus.
I'm cured.
Cured. I want everyone to know, just because we put a new coat of paint on the salon doesn't make our salon COVID safe. The reason why I had to paint was the 3 stations that I had to take out to create more space between each station. And I have great employees that have been here to help the entire time. And I want to give a shout out to them. I appreciate everything that you guys have done to help me and help yourself and help our customers feel safe to get their hair done again. And I want everyone to know that I'm taking this very serious. I've got 3 kids. Who knows how many kids you have? The camera, I'm just talking to a camera. The camera has probably no kids. I don't know.